Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about obesity and its relation with food calories. Nowadays, obesity became a common problem among children as well as in adults due to sedentary lifestyle and habits. A person is considered to be obese or overweight if they are more than 20% over their ideal weight. The type of food consumed and its calorie is having great importance in this. When most of us think of calories, we think how fattening a food is in dietary terms. The calories are the amount of energy that a food provides. WHO says the cause of obesity is an energy imbalance between calories consumed and the calories expended. Normally, an average calorie for a person between 21 to 25 years is 2000 calories per day. The calories for the person between 26 to 40 years is 1800 calories per day. After 51 years, the calories falls to 1600 calories per day. When the calories intake goes beyond this level, can lead to obesity. For an obese person to lose the weight, he or she need to cut 250 to 1000 calories out of their daily diet. If we consistently take in more energy than we need, we will gain weight. The same way, if we take in too little energy, we will lose weight, fat, eventually the muscle mass. When people on weight loss diet, the number of calories in a food is a deciding factor whether to eat it or not. The calorie intake depends on age, size, height, gender, the lifestyle, and the general health. Eating a big breakfast could help with weight reduction and maintenance. A human body needs calories to fuel bodily function such as breathing and thinking, to maintain our posture and to move around. Here, I can give you some ideas for burning energy and losing fat very effectively. The first one is eat a healthy breakfast. A protein and healthy fat breakfast can keep you full for longer and help to prevent snacking during the day. For example, you can have scrambled eggs, omelets, bananas, almonds, milkshakes, berries, grapes, etc. And you should eat regular meals. This help you to burn calories effectively and help to prevent snacking in between. It's very important to eat more fruits and vegetables because they are high in nutrients and fibers and low in calories and fill your stomach. For example, you can have broccoli, carrots, celery, beetroots, and cabbages. They are the very good options. The next is eat slow burning calories. High fiber carbs such as oatmeals, sweet potatoes, bananas, and legumes. And have healthy fats such as avocados, fatty fish, chia seeds, nuts, and dark chocolates. They take no longer to release energy. So, you will not get hungry very quickly. The next important thing is doing exercise regularly. This can help you to burn extra calories. The exercises like running, walking, cycling, and swimming are very helpful. The next one is drinking plenty of water per day. We should avoid the sweetened and carbonated drinks. You can have fruit juices without adding sugar. Next is eating more fibers. The fibers found in fruits and vegetables and whole grains which help you to feel full. Instead of larger portion of meals for a lunch, you can take smaller portion of food in different intervals during the day and eat slowly. When you completely avoid certain foods can lead to cravings. So, have it occasionally in smaller amounts. Next important factor is getting enough sleep because sleep loss affect the metabolism. It has linked to weight gain. And the last one is eat early dinner. At least make sure that you are having your dinner at least 2 hours before the bedtime. So these are the tips I can give you to reduce your overweight. I hope everyone enjoy the video. So if you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.